This is how we get fresh water to the deck. I know what you're thinking. Your boat is sitting in water. Just use that. For most cleaning projects, we can't use salt water. We have to use fresh water. And it's no easy task. It takes just as long or longer to get your supplies together as it does to clean. Step 1 is digging the bucket out of storage. There isn't a large amount of storage space on a boat, so we pack tight, kind of like Tetris. Luckily, we pack smart, and all of our cleaning supplies are in one storage locker. Now we'll take the bucket to the back of the boat and use our deck shower to fill it up, just enough for the job. Once you get the hose out, put it in the bucket first and then turn the water on. Fresh water is precious out here, and we're very careful not to waste a drop. I always make sure the water is running properly, and I'll definitely make a note to check our shower head later because that pressure is quite low. Wait for the water to fill up and don't walk away. Keep an eye on it. Then turn the shower off and replace the hose. Next, it's time to haul it up on deck and set it down where we'll need it. Mix your cleaning solution and try not to knock it over. You'd be surprised the mess clean water can make. Don't ask me how I know. We rinse the cloth as we go, keeping the water as clean as possible for the whole 2-minute scrub. Once we're done, we take the dirty water to the back of the boat to dump it out. Yes, we use reef-safe cleaners, and we must take a view appreciation break. The last step is carefully putting away the supplies. Notice the bucket is just as difficult to put back in as it was to get out. Close the storage locker and put the cushion back on the bench. And that's it. A little water goes a long way on a sailboat. This is just one small task that keeps Bruadar ready to sail. With that done, we take one more view appreciation break and head below deck for the next project. Are there any more tasks you want to see? Thanks for watching.